How to edit Spotify playlist. To get started, first of all, open up the Spotify application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Spotify Explore page. On this page, tap on the bottom panel and tap on Your Library. In Your Library, tap on Playlists at the top. Now scroll down and select a playlist that you like. Here, tap on the three dots as shown. Then, go to the Edit option. Here, you can edit your playlist by changing the playlist cover, the playlist name, or the description. To change the playlist cover, tap on Change Playlist Cover. Here, you can choose either create a cover art or change cover image to change the playlist cover. Now go back to the Edit Playlist page. Tap on the playlist name to edit and change the playlist name. You can also add a description for the playlist by tapping on Description under the name. After you're done, go to the top right corner and tap on Save. Your playlist settings have now been saved. You can repeat this whenever you want to make any changes to your playlist. Following these steps, you can easily edit Spotify playlist.